I don't know, I haven't really recorded videos in public.
Welcome to Rodeo shopping with me.
I was given the catalog to see what items are going to be available for this year's holiday edition. Didn't tell anybody, I don't think, of what's in here yet. I'm very happy that I was able to pick out a few things to finally start my Louis Vuitton collection. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. I know it's a little bit different than my traditional or usual videos, but I am really excited because I'm currently on my way to go to Louis Vuitton store to pre-order some of the holiday 2020 special small leather goods. After I've seen videos that my friend Adila did, I am super excited that I was able to make an appointment on a Saturday because it's still quarantine and all of the stores are taking appointments only. So I am super excited and I want to take you guys on this trip with me. Let's just see what else I find. It is over 120 Fahrenheit. It's one of the hottest days of summer, and let's just see what else we can find in the store. I will of course try to get some footage for you guys, and I have not been out for a while, so I don't know what the stores are gonna look like, but right now they're by appointments only, so my appointment is in the next 40 minutes and I'm definitely very excited to see what other things that I can find. I know I won't be able to talk to you guys so much after I get out of the car without a mask, so I will try my best to speak louder, but I don't know, I haven't really recorded videos in public. So let's just see what this trip endeavor looks like. Let's go, guys. Oh.
Yeah, like I told you guys, I have to wear a mask and I now see a line. Let me show you guys. Welcome to Rodeo shopping with me. Well, you guys see the line over there, so hopefully appointments there's no line. Now I'm just waiting for my appointments. Yes. So far she showed me these, and that's the 6, yeah, the 6 one, and then this is a 3. We'll see what else is coming. Okay guys, we have done some damage and I'm really excited to show you guys, and literally in Beverly Hills right now, Rodeo Drive, nobody is here, and then I'm in front of the Beverly Wilshire, the Four Seasons Hotel, and it's all closed, so I am able to take some shots for you guys, but I have one more thing to do, so catch up with you guys later.
Alright guys, welcome back. Right now I want to share with you guys what actually happened in the pre-ordering process, and this is actually my first pre-order on the holiday edition, and as I mentioned, I found out about these from my friend Adila's video, so she's also a video creator. I'll make sure her channel is linked in the description box below as well. So pretty much the pre-ordering process is simple and easy. Before I went in, I was given the kind of the information sheet or the catalog to see what items are going to be available for this year's holiday edition. So I had a preview of that, and then I pretty much made up my mind on ordering 2 pieces from the collection, and let's hope that I get it, because right now there's no stock available. It's not a guarantee that I will be receiving these 2 items for sure, so I just have to wait a little bit and see if that's going to be fulfilled. I'm definitely going to be making another video talking about the 2 pieces and reveal it to you once it comes in, and a little bit more about the pre-order process, because it is my first time pre-ordering anything from the holiday catalog. So it's pretty straightforward. You are just going to be given a form that you have to fill out your information, your address, phone number, email address, as well as, you know, the item details, and then your credit card, most importantly. And then what is supposed to be happen next is your sales associate is supposed to take this form, send it to the manager so they can put in the request. Whenever Louis Vuitton releases collections like this, they do extremely well because of the popularity of these special prints on the holiday edition. So this year they once again featured the Vivienne little figurine on all of these pieces, and it's quite lovely. So that is pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys on the pre-ordering process. Even though the collection doesn't launch until later, it's always good to contact your sales associate early if it's something that is so, you know, hard to get, or something that you know people are gonna go after, because without pre-ordering you might not have the chance to actually see the item. It's hard to say, but I definitely want to make sure I get it. So pre-ordering was an option that's given to me by my associate, so I was very happy that is at least completed. I have received quite a lot of DMs from you guys asking me what I actually got. Very luckily, I have all of them here. There is quite some items that I picked up from the store because I thought, okay, the stock is actually pretty complete. Very happy that I was able to pick out a few things to finally start my Louis Vuitton collection. Canvas pieces are really popular, and ever since I joined Instagram, I have just been like kind of bombarded with all the Louis Vuitton small leather goods. Without further ado, I'd like to open it with all of you guys together, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna be opening them by order, so I'll go from this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then we'll get to the bottom of it. So the very first one is gonna be, very luckily there's no outer box shortage in the store. So this is a very cute reverse monogram card holder, and I know this is hard to get, but very luckily they have this one in stock. If you guys want to see a review, definitely leave it in the comments so I know to do like a thorough review. And I know that a lot of you guys have SLGs like this, and I usually do handbag reviews and jewelry, so if you want to see me do reviews in this kind of department, let me know in the comment below. Going on to the next one, which is going to be the item inside of here. I think I'm gonna make a huge mess by the time I finish this. This is the second item, and this is a key pouch in the damier azur. It's just rare to run into things like this. This is the other item. I'm literally going in orders, and this is the third item. So let's see. This is the third item, which is the Monogram Key Pouch. And oh my goodness, I think I'm going to include some of the footage of how I picked these out from like 10 other ones that I saw. There's actually a lot of differences between the craftsmanship on these individual pieces. So if you compare and put them all together, they all look kind of different. So that is, you know, that is kind of common in luxury. As I mentioned in my previous videos, if it's handcrafted, then everybody's, you know, skill set is a little bit different, so the products also come out different. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, so in the next review video I will be showing you the detailed footage of how all of the key clays or the key pouches can look so different. Last little accessory here, we have a little key pouch here. So this one is the key pouch in the damier graphite. It makes a really good gift, and all of these are kind of entry-level pieces that I see a lot of people that like to pick up, and I used to work for the brand, so I never really paid attention. So I did pick up these three items, and I'm missing the damier ébène. At the moment, I'm kind of attracted to these prints, and I think they make excellent little gifts, and I know that they fit credit cards and everything. So very luckily, I run into these stocks, so I just picked them up, giving these out as gifts to family members, and I think they're going to appreciate it. The grand unboxing from my pre-order visit. Some of you guys have already guessed it. I just never said, yes, it's that. So now here's the review. Oh, how nice. She wrapped it for me too. I think you can take it out from the side. And so I got the mini pochette in the damier bain. It's really, really cute, and I love the red interior in here. So yeah, that is the unboxing. If you guys want to see me review all of these items, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment below. I would love to do a review video for you guys. There's definitely going to be another video that will be made on the holiday piece once it comes in, and I'm very excited about that. So if you haven't ordered it, now it's a good time for you to contact your SA to let them know which pieces you're interested, because the closer it gets to the launch date, the less inventory they're going to have. At this point, I've been told nothing's guaranteed until we find out whether or not I'm going to receive it. So I definitely need a lot of prayers. You guys sent them in, and I would love to make that video once the item comes in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.